Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective drink that lowers high blood pressure. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need two ingredients to make this healthy drink. The first one is garlic and the second one is lady's finger or okra. You need 2 garlic cloves to make this drink. Garlic is a very healthy ingredient. It has a lot of medicinal properties. It is highly nutritious and has a very few calories. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Contains antioxidants, detoxifies heavy metals in the body and improves bone health. Peel off the skin and chop them into small chunks like this. Get this ready. Lady's finger on the other hand is a very healthy ingredient. It aids weight loss, lowers cholesterol, controls blood sugars, lowers blood pressure, helps in better digestion, builds immunity, improves eyesight and helps in hair growth. Chop off the ends and cut them into small pieces. Now we have everything ready, so let's check out how to make this healthy drink. Keep ready 1 cup of hot water in a pan like this. To this add the chopped garlic and chopped lady's finger. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, strain and add it to a mug like this. Now a healthy drink to lower pressure is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then you can eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this healthy drink that lowers blood pressure at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. You need 2 main ingredients to make this drink and they are beetroot and garlic. You just need a small piece of beetroot for this recipe. So cut a small piece and peel off the skin. Chop them into small pieces. Beetroot is a very healthy ingredient. It has many nutrients and it's very low in calories. It helps to reduce your blood pressure. It can improve your athletic performance, fights against inflammation, improves digestive health, supports brain health and has anti-cancer properties. The next ingredient is garlic. You just need 2 cloves. Peel off the skin and chop them into small pieces. Garlic has a lot of medicinal properties. It is highly nutritious and has very few calories. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Add the chopped garlic to the mug like this. To this add the chopped beetroot. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open and check. The essence and benefits of the ingredients are well extracted to the water. Now strain and add it to a mug like this. Now a healthy drink to reduce blood pressure is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then eat a date 10 minutes prior to having this fat cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink improves your immunity power, so do try this health drink that lowers high blood pressure at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.